Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel WG News. I hope you'll be fine. This time we talk about Labour win landslide victory in UK elections. Once again, I say welcome back. If you're new viewers and old viewers, thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for latest updates. Stay connected with me. Like and share my video. Labour has won a landslide victory in the general election with 15 government ministers losing their seats following a surge from a reform UK. So Keir Starmer will become British Prime Minister with the Labour winning 410 seats in the parliament in a general election landslide victory. All but 5 of the 650 seats have now been declared. Labour gained 209 seats overall in his victory speech. Sir Keir said, we did change because now we are ready to restore Britain to the service of working people. The Labour Party pays the majority their hold of 326 at around 5 am just after Prime Minister Rishi Sunak considered defeat having clung on to his own seat. Mr. Sunak has led to Conservatives to a defeat which could see them win their lowest number of seats in their history of the party. In 1997, the Tories was reduced to 165 seats, but their worst ever result was in 196 when they won just 156 seats. He said Labour had clearly won the election and he had already wronged Sir Keir and congratulated him, and he also apologised to all the Tory candidates who lost. The Labour leader told a crowd of cheering supporters, a mandate like this comes with a great responsibility. Sir Keir said after task is nothing less than revealing the idea that whole is country together nation when will whoever you are wherever you started in life you if you work hard if you play by the rules this country should give you a chance to get it should always respect your contributors and we have to restore that reform UK saw start in its fort helping it to win from seats with a leader Nigel Farage in a Clacton Party chairman Richard Tick in the Boston both being elected. The Green Party won more than a million votes nationwide and won 3 more seats, outshining Labour. Thangham, Libnori, a Bristol's centre are gaining Whaley Valley and North Herefordshire from the Tories. The Liberal Democrats have won 70 seats, while in Scotland and SNP lost evenly with the Labour gaining 37 seats of the Scottish National List. The SNP leader of Westminster, Stephen Flynn, said their party candidates and been overcome by the Starmer, and he said it was no reflection on them as people. Other key results from Jeremy Corbyn, who was elected from the Labour Party after refusing to accept a key report and anti-Muslims under the leadership return, has a aligned North seat as an independent in Rochelle. Jerry Holloway of the World Party lost this seat by one at a by-election early this year, with the Labour value ways a political Political journalists running back the seat. War the story it was a massive turnaround since December in 2009 when Boris Johnson was on 18 seats, Conservative majority after promised to get a bricks down. Among the cabinet ministers losing their seats were the lead of the House of Commons, Penny Mordaunt, who said democracy is never wrong in this speech after losing Portsmouth North to Labour. Amantha Parsoni said tonight the Conservative Party has taken the basting because it failed to honor the trust that people had placed in it. You can speak out your life of security and freedom, but you cannot have other if you are afraid about the cost of living in assessing healthcare or whether the responsibility your shoulder will be recognized and rewarded that fears steal the future and it only makes the present matter and that is a where why we lost she added she also won our renewal as a party and a country will not be achieved by us talking to an ever smaller silk of ourselves but being guided by the people of our country. I hope you'll enjoy this video, and if you like this video, have a nice and goodbye.